Sambhavi, I hope you are fine.
Yes, I'm fine, sir.
Great. Can you please come on camera?
For sure.
Great. Let me tell you one thing, that is, I am recording your video. Like we both are being recorded. Okay. I hope you are okay with that. You have no problem in that.
No.
Okay. So now what we are going to do, we are going to begin our class with a discussion.
Okay.
And the topic of the discussion is so the topic of the discussion is advertisements on TV are all glitter and little truth. I repeat, advertisements on TV are all glitter and little truth. Clear about it? Means, let
Yes,
me
sir.
just explain to you the meaning of the topic. सो जो हमारी एडवर्टीजमेंट्स होती हैं, जो हमारे एड्स वगैरह आते हैं, वो पूरी तरह से ग्लिटर होता है, मतलब चमक धमक उसमें होती है, दिखाते हैं ऐसा है, लेकिन बहुत लिटिल, बहुत थोड़ा सा उसमें सच होता है. डू यू अग्री विद दिस पॉइंट?
Little bit.
A little bit, no problem. So please go ahead.
Okay, so first of all, I want to just tell that there are many advertisement which is really not a glitter. It is also fully true because there are some recommendation by lawyers.
Some recommendations.
Yes, there are some recommendations which is given by a lawyer, and that is actually true. So these such kind of advertisement are also there, which is true, and there is a very less percentage. There are many advertisements which are not actually true. There is very 5% accurate information are there, but not 100% accurate in every ad. Not 100% accurate information we can say, because some of the informations are there which attract us but which totally fake. We can say our facial products. In the screen we see that a pimple is gone is just within a 5 minutes. And I was really, when I saw, I was laughed. I was laughed.
I was
And
laughing.
yeah, I was laughing. And I just think how we remove our pimple in just 5 minutes
I think,
with
or
your
I thought. I thought.
yeah, I thought how we remove our
How can
pimple.
we? How can we?
How can we remove our pimple in just 5 minutes with a
5 minutes.
any facial
5 minutes.
in a 5 minutes with any facial, with applying any facial product, or there is many fake product also which react on our body. And because our body is sensitive and our face is also sensitive, and in our face there is also a part eyes. If eyes are affected, there is many, there that will create a big issue.